Today, we unlock hidden horsepower by mastering cylinder head porting. It all starts with airflow, because better breathing means better engine performance. For precision and durability, the right carbide burr makes all the difference. With careful shaping, the metal opens up and the airflow path becomes smoother. That smoother path helps the engine move more air, faster and more efficiently. After the work is done, every polished edge reflects the care behind the build. Once reassembled, the engine is ready to deliver a new level of speed. Now the dyno test begins, and the numbers will tell the real story. When the engine pulls hard, the horsepower gain becomes impossible to ignore. That is how careful porting turns raw potential into real performance.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made Carbide Burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made Carbide Burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the Carbide Burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.